Tier 6 Odyssey coming out tomorrow.
What? Oh.
That's what Ray said, at least. I'm not prepared. I don't have enough Zen. And I don't feel like spending, what, like 40 bucks?
I don't have any Zen. Yeah, I don't know what the hype of the Audi is. Just don't get it.
It's an Odyssey. Oh.
It's about as exciting as a Galaxy class for me.
You have every ship you could possibly get.
I know. That's probably why it's not exciting. All I want is my Borg cube, and then we're done.
Yeah, because that's gonna happen. You have a better chance of creating it in Space Engineers yourself.
I've started one actually.
I mean, with actual, like, fully loaded, included cube.
That's true. I don't need Borg to be on it. Why can't it be like a collective, or the like the Resistance Borg? You know what I mean?
True.
Give me one of theirs, and you just have to get like an implant to fly it. Nothing major. I would even settle for a sphere. I'd be okay with that.
No, they've stolen the quantum phase inhibitor. Probably gave it to them, fucker.
Trust no one. That's all. That's all that stopped me.
I finally caught up with X-Files, by the way. I'm no longer pissed about missing it.
Excellent. You're sad about Scully's mama?
Well, I don't remember her mother, to be honest with you. So,
I don't
mean,
either,
yes,
but
it sucked for her.
yeah.
It was kind of sad.
Oh, I was clicking.
Science, your trade, your
I skipped some.
society. Oh, I suppose there will be time for all of that now that our crisis has been averted.
Oh, I think our friend the administrator here is going to need a ride home. Would you mind? If you'll pick...
Haven't we done enough for you?
I have collected an amazing amount of information about what happened to this star.
Oh,
Thank
what's
you for
over
bringing
there?
me along. Once we're back in Allied space, I'll take a shuttle home.
I don't actually have a turning rate on this ship, it seems. It's just a battery. Where are we going?
We're taking her home. Because, you know, we're a taxi service on top of everything else.
Our transporter range can't make that, for real. Alright.
Depart. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't actually listen when it's my one of my crew members up on that screen. It's normally not that important.
It's like, you
excuse me, Captain? Shut up. Or just keep talking and I won't be listening. Where are we going now? Oh, I just have to
This is why I don't take free rides on your ship.
You saw my slipstream drive go?
We will be trying to open a dialogue with the Lucari people. Unfortunately, the loss of the Tox Utat is troubling. We have some
Well, that
reports
was
about this
okay.
device from when Jean-Luc Picard encountered it on Risa in
Ooh.
1266.
Uh,
And obviously,
He still
we
looks
can't let the Tholians
great.
get a piece of future technology that can destabilize
Quantum
stars.
phase torpedo? Oh, I just don't know what to take because it's all temporal stuff. What does this give us? 30 flow capacitors? That's pretty good for like a drain build. Phase beam array. So how do I... What would I boost a phase beam array with? Phaser damage. Oh my god, Rain. I need several of these. They're blue phasers again. That's all I ever want.
Blue phasers.
Yeah. And I have those Andorian ones, but they're just not as good as these ones I have on now.
Oh, okay. I guess I know what we'll be doing.
Where is... Can I put it on now? Yeah, I feel like it'll be good. Maybe. Okay, next one or what?
Yeah, I suppose.
You don't sound very excited.
Well, because I haven't picked a, I don't know what I want. What do I want? Well, something that'll just sit comfortably in my bank and I'll never use it.
Oh,
So,
you're choosing
I'll
a
go
thing.
with memes. Because I have barely any space left in my bank because I get stuff and it sits there for...
I only keep the rare stuff or things that are like, I will never get better. You know what I mean?
The bottom line in my bank is all for booze. The booze
Booze.
stays.
Ray's saying there's only one episode left.
Yeah, it was only it's a 6
I thought it was 9 for some reason.
No, it's only 6 episodes in the mini series.
So it's all gonna... Oh.
The truth will still be out there. I doubt it will be revealed in 45 minutes on Monday.
Yeah. I was gonna say there's way too much going on. Okay, which one's next? Episodes... Stormbound.
Yeah, Stormbound.
The Tox Uthoth has fallen into
Tox
the hands
Utat.
of the Tholian.
What is exactly a Tox Utat?
I don't know. I'm sure we'll know plenty at the end of this.
We obviously didn't read well enough, or we would know what a Tox Utat is.
Yeah. It's likely. Quantum phase resilient shield array? Oh.
Alright, I will sit here and wait while you clean the seat.
10 max shield capacity, a pretty good regen. Approved. Let's go get us one of those.
What are we getting? We're getting some.
I want the shield array that was just shown there
Oh, okay.
for this mission.
So, where are we going? The Nakul system. And of course you're going to transwarp and cheat and use all your money when you can easily just fly there. So I'll see you when I get there, since it's right behind you.
I didn't look how much it cost me.
It's literally right behind you.
Is it?
Yes.
27 light year. So what was that? Maybe 1,000 a light year?
You could have reversed there. Oh my god.
Oh well. I'm here now. You mean it wasn't a race?
No. Oh my god. Some things don't change.
Are we ready? Oh, Ray's here.
Yep. So Ray will Ray will be typing. We will be talking.
We took too much time.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
What are you talking about?
That's what he said.
Who?
Oh, fun, not time.
Fun. Well, I understood. I speak Ray.
I took it the other way, but you could have. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Ready? Are you ready?
Good to see you again. Thank you for responding to my message.
Yeah,
so
I'm in.
quickly.
Sorry.
The Tholians have the
No, you're not.
quantum phase inhibitor.
I'm
I
eating
tracked
chips.
the ship to the system, and I've detected
Okay.
some telltale quantum fluctuations within the star. They're trying to use the device. We need to stop them and recover the device. First, however, we need to help the Nakul. At this point in their history, they're not prepared to repel a Tholian attack.
And I did thank you. My people have few warships. Any assistance you could provide against the Tholians would be appreciated.
I thought it was going to be the same people at a different point in time, and I almost freaked out. I was like, Really? We have to come help you here now, too? But I guess that big gas giant is missing, so...
Alright, Tholians. Again.
Watch out, there's a ship behind you. Kill it.
Behind me. Friendly. It's a friendly.
Yeah.
Remind me never to go into battle with you.
Well, there's too many safeties in this game.
I know. How many times did you kill me in Space Engineers? That's okay. I got you back with the miner.
Pretty sure we've... Yeah.
That slingshot you across me. Across space. That was awesome.
We appreciate your assistance. It is not often that we encounter a
Oh, my cooldown time on that is like a minute. That's it.
So this is
I never should have made that device. I was only focused on the idea, on whether it was possible. I didn't stop to think of all the harm it could do in the wrong hands. We have to stop.
Tell me
the
when you're
Tholians
done. I'm
before
worried
they
it'll...
shut down the star's fusion. If that
Yep, I'm
happens,
good.
the effect.
I was right.
No, you shouldn't have.
Why?
No, I mean the dude
Oh.
said he should never have made the device.
The lead Tholian ship has the quantum phase inhibitor. They're
Alright,
going to use it on the star.
let's go
We have to
fix
stop
someone
them,
else's
or that
mistakes
vessel
again.
The lead Tholian ship. Which one is that? Oh. I guess the Recluse? I don't know. Oh, guess what?
What?
You'll know in a second. I think I have to change my settings or something. Because it hasn't done this to you, has it?
Done what to me? Sorry.
Crashed. Am I
No.
still there?
No.
Oh.
No. I honestly wasn't paying attention to where your ship was.
Well,
And I didn't see you crash. That's alright. Ray and I got this.
I don't understand why it's doing that.
It's pissed at you for being away. I told you this. We've covered this already.
Well, then it should accommodate my needs here. If it's happy to have me back.
If it was Baxter, he'd probably nip at you a couple times too.
Yeah, maybe.
Consider it a little nip.
Where's all the ground? There's no ground.
Not yet. Oh, that's because you crashed the last time something attacked us on ground.
Oh, that's true. That is true. Should we split up? I'm gonna go to the far ones. Twice now. It did it in a row. I'm very upset about this.
And you're out again.
I know. That's what I said.
Yeah, but I was still looking at you.
What is causing that? I need to check my settings. Maybe something got changed.